the glorious Higger Tor in the Derbyshire Dales. And a big thank you as well to everyone who subscribed to the channel over the last video, and we've hit the milestone, 200 subs and just over. So thank you very much from myself.
Higger Tor is a rocky chateau situated in the Dark Peak in the Derbyshire Dales. And not only does it have such a pretty vibrant landscape, but it also comes with a hidden gem. So with your help, come on this adventure and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for your continued support.
So I love this red heather. I mean, it's just, I think it's heather. It's just absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. I mean, it's gorgeous, and the rock formations are just out of this world. They're just incredible. Like I said, we've got the free Kit Kat stones as well to find. So make sure you stay here. Don't move a muscle, because it's the most famous picture that's doing the rounds on social media at the moment. So we're going to find that, the free Kit Kat stones. They're up here somewhere, and we're going to find it. But like I say, the rock formations is incredible. So it's Higger Tor in the Derbyshire Dales in the Peak District, and thanks to Spike Hammond as well for giving me the heads up on it. If you want to see a little bit more of Spike, click back on the previous video when we were in Delft in Oldham. He's a Manchester YouTuber as well, and make sure you give him a follow. He's the one that told me about this place first off the back foot with the coordinates as well, so I've got him to thank for it. And it's a cracking day as well. What better way to get out and about than to be sat at home on your couch on a day like this? It really is unbelievable. Quite amazing to think how time gets on rapid. You think you've got a lot of time to play with when you're bringing all your full equipment out with you, because I'm fully loaded today. I'm using the Sony ZV-E10 as well, for anyone who's interested out there. That's the camera that I've got, and I've got a camera dolly, and I've got the drone with me as well. So I think when you're carrying quite a lot of weight and a tripod, it isn't ideal going up to these places, but you've got to do it, haven't you? Just got to do it. Keeps you fit. So I'm hoping to be home early today anyway, because I've been out very early in the morning. So this is Higger Tor, if you've just joined us, and if you're new to the channel as well, welcome along. If you've been here before, welcome back. And thanks again to everyone who's pressed the subscribe button. I've reached over 200 subs now, and I'm so happy, so delighted, because it's a very big milestone to cross, I think. Because I would say I'm a new YouTuber. My channel has been active for 5 years, I think, but I've not really done too much in the line of YouTube videos, but I'm back on the case now. So I'm just having a look around to see if I can spot these Kit Kat stones, see if I can see them.
Have I really been so crazy to think your love was mine, serenading to sinking moons? Oh, I've been so blind as our love was slowly turning blue. that thing is true. Believe that thing you said. No, I don't care where I'm going to. This town's too small. Baby, you were my burning tower. Now I'm too high to fall. 7 seasons have come and gone, and I'm yours still. But this love is my
Anyway,
song unsung.
after a little bit of searching, a little bit of deliberation, running round corners and looking down over edges, we've finally found the free Kit Kats, everyone. Big thanks to Hayley and Kyle as well, who does a great YouTube channel as well, because it was them that I seen it, and then I went on YouTube, searched it up and typed it in on Google, and apparently they are the most famous Instagram picture on social media of the free Kit Kats at Higger Tor, and I found them. Absolutely superb. Well chuffed. And a great day. So my work's done here now. My work is done. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video as always, and if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, no pressure, just click the subscribe button and give us a like as well, and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you real soon. So from Higger Tor in the Derbyshire Dales, take care and all the best for now.